I had two special guests at Cruiseman's Garage today, both with 2023 Goldwings. Got Robert White here from Robert White Moto and Tom Miller from Tom's Goldwing Adventures. Hey everybody, Cruiseman here with a friend Tom Miller, who joins this. It is Miller, right?
Yes.
Okay, I wanted to make sure I got it right. Tom Miller, who joins us for breakfast on Sundays, and today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to hopefully install the BT-MOTO tuner on his 2023, right? 2023 Honda Goldwing. It's the second day in a row I've had a burgundy Goldwing in the garage here.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
So the first step is we're going to connect the tuner to his bike, and then I think we download the tune from your bike to the device.
Then we'll hook the device up to a computer. We download it from the device onto the computer and then send that file to BT-MOTO. They analyze that file, and then in a few days send us back the new tuned file, which we'll then upload to the bike from BT-MOTO's device.
Okay, so I guess we're ready to get started.
Yes.
Okay. While Tom removes his right side cover so we can access the OBD port on the Goldwing, I would remind you that Tom's got a great YouTube channel. Make sure you check it out at Tom81773. It's this up here.
Okay, that makes a difference.
It does make it.
All right.
So that's the port.
That's the port, then.
Next, we plug the tuner into the OBD port on Tom's bike, and we also have plugged or attached the red cable from the tuner over to the positive terminal of the battery on the left side of the bike, and that's where it gets its power.
Supposed to turn the bike on, but don't start it.
Okay, then what?
Okay. Then, in the flasher tool, click work.
Okay, it's already clicked, so...
Okay, then we select the motorcycle brand. Select, yeah. Honda motorcycles, we're good. Select.
There you go, Chris, when you want to do multiple bikes.
Yeah.
And we'll scroll down to find the...
But this must just be for Honda, because it only offered Honda.
Close, GL 1800.
That's it.
Okay, let's select 18 to 23. Please connect your vehicle to a stabilized battery. We've done that. Switch the dashboard on, check the connections, and press OK.
Okay. It's doing something.
Yes, it is.
Hope it's not wiping out wiping out your MCU, yeah.
Is that supposed to be smoking?
Switch off
the dashboard. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And then I guess hit OK. And
okay. What that should be doing right now is reading the current ECU
so
data.
it can read it even with the bike turned off.
Apparently so. Please connect your vehicle to stabilized battery. Warning. That's interesting because that's up on the dashboard. Let's put it.
Let's try it like this.
Full on. We got it on charger anyway.
Uh-oh.
Turn it back off for a second.
What's happening?
Nothing.
It won't turn on.
That's not good.
A few moments later.
Okay, so quick update. We have been unable to get the flasher to read Tom's ECU. We go through all the steps. We've done it 4 times. And we get this warning, wrong selection of brand, model, type, or unknown ECU, even though he did select GL 1800, 2018 to 2023. There's also a peculiar issue with the OBD port in that if it's plugged in like it is right now, the bike will not turn on. can turn on the ignition. It will not turn on until we unplug the OBD port. And in one case, we had to actually loosen the negative cable on the battery, and then that must reset something in the ECU that allows the bike to turn on. So we've done that at least 3 times, maybe 4 times now, and so I think Tom is going to have to take this with him and contact support, and it apparently cannot read the ECU. So, Tom, sorry.
That's okay. I'll call support this coming week when they open up and see what they have to say about this.
And I'll send this information to Max as well,
Okay.
so he knows. Maybe he knows something.
He may.
I did reach out to Max McAllister, and turns out that he watched a video on the BT-MOTO website that mentioned when you get to the step where it instructs you to turn the motorcycle off or turn off the ignition, you're supposed to hold the ignition switch in that off position for a few seconds. We weren't doing that because it didn't say to do that in the instructions online. That's the only thing I can think of that might have caused this problem that we were having. The other option is it's possible that Tom's ECU is not in the list of ECU maps that they have at BT-MOTO. If it turns out that is the case, then BT-MOTO requires that you remove your ECU and ship it into them, and then they do this at their location and they ship it back to you. That I don't think is going to be an option for Tom because he rides his Goldwing every day, and he would probably be without his Goldwing for several days because the Goldwing does not run very well without an ECU. So our plan right now is to contact BT-MOTO on Monday, get through to their support people and see if maybe they have any other ideas. Maybe we were doing something wrong, or maybe it was just the fact that we did not hold that ignition switch in the off position, giving it time to do its magic. I'd like to send a shout out to Max McAllister at Traction for giving me a call back on a Saturday to let me know about that one step where you turn off the motorcycle and you're supposed to hold the ignition switch. We did not do that. And maybe next week, after we clear everything with BT-MOTO support, maybe we'll give this another try and we'll update you as to our progress with the BT-MOTO tune. I want to thank you for joining me today. I'm sorry this didn't turn out the way we expected on the first shot, but we will keep trying until we get it to work. Sometimes that's just the way it goes at Cruiseman's Garage. If you enjoyed the video, though, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next Cruiseman's Garage. Remember to ride often, but ride safe.